this lesson we're travelling to the Cinque Terre in Italy to paint the beautiful streets of Vernazza. Follow me step by step as I show you the techniques I use to paint this complex Italian street scene. Glowing light, reflected light, sky shine, perspective drawing and figure painting are all demonstrated in the video. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.